and left hand one more time. Let's try 2 now. Let's try another exercise to make sure that we stay really loose and relaxed while we play. Take your sticks, and we'll start with our right hand. We're just going to let it bounce, lift it up, and let it drop. If you do this one right, it should bounce a lot of times, so try that again. Now, try it with your other hand, your left hand. Right hand again, and your left hand again. If you're anything like me, your right hand will have a little bit of an easier time doing this. It just takes a little bit of practice. So the reason we do this is to make sure that we're letting gravity do a lot of the work when we play drums. Now when I let it drop this time, I'm going to catch it after 3 bounces. Left hand, right hand one more time, and left hand one more time. Let's try 2 now. And now just 1. Do you see how high my stick bounces back without me having to do any work at all? That's something that's going to really help you when you start wanting to play a little bit quicker, because you're letting the drumsticks use gravity to do all the work for you. Keep practicing that one on your own.